In today's video, I'm going to show you the best VPN for Cash App and how to use Cash App safely with a VPN. If Cash App isn't available in your country or you're getting errors while trying to sign in, a VPN can fix all of that instantly. Cash App officially works only in the US and UK, so if you're outside those regions, the app won't appear in your Play Store or App Store, and you might see Cash App not available in your region. A VPN fixes this by changing your virtual location, making Cash App think you're accessing it from the US or UK. Before we start, I recommend using NordVPN because it's the most stable and secure VPN for financial apps like Cash App. It gives you fast, reliable US and UK servers, plus strong encryption that keeps your data protected. There's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. Once you install NordVPN, open the app, log in, and choose the right region. If you want the US version of Cash App, connect to a United States server. If you need the UK version, choose the United Kingdom. After picking your location, tap Connect and wait for the VPN to secure your network. Now that you're connected, open your Play Store or App Store and you'll see that Cash App is now available for download. This also fixes the issue where the app doesn't appear or shows regional errors. After installing it, open Cash App. Since your IP address is now coming from the US or UK, everything will load normally. You can create your account, log in, check your balance, or send money without restrictions. Using a VPN for Cash App also adds an important layer of security. NordVPN encrypts your traffic, which protects your banking details from Wi-Fi, snooping, trackers, or hackers, especially if you're using public networks. If Cash App still doesn't load, just switch to another US or UK server. NordVPN has thousands of fast servers, so you'll always find one that works smoothly. And that's how you use Cash App with a VPN. Install NordVPN, connect to the US or UK, refresh your Play Store or App Store to download Cash App, and enjoy full access from anywhere. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and keep your Cash App activity private and secure.